Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Binance app as a complete beginner. So you just have to sit back and relax and watch it all, and by the end of this video you will be able to know the basics of using Binance app. And let's get started with it. So first of all, you need to get Binance app. For that you need to just open up your Play Store or App Store, and after that search for Binance, and then just open it up and download it. After downloading it, just create an account on it and make sure that you fill the details correctly. After that, you will have an account on Binance, and after that just log into your account, and this is how your account will look like. But you will have to do verifications in order to avail all the facilities of Binance app. So just verify your account and also add payment method to your account by just clicking on your profile on the top left hand side corner. And here you will find this option of payment methods. Just click on it and add payment methods to your profile. After that, just get back. And here on your home page, you will be able to see the list of currencies that has been growing in the last 24 hours. And these are the currencies that has given the positive change in the last 24 hours. And we can see the new listings also on Binance by switching it to new listings. And we can just see the gainers here, and you can just play around with it. And now let's see how we can deposit funds into our Binance account. So for that, you will find this option of deposit on your home page itself. Just click on it. After that, you will find two options here. The first one is P2P trading, and you can just basically use your bank account or digital wallets or mobile payments in order to send your native currency into cryptos. So we will just look after it in a while. But first, let's see how we can deposit cryptos to Binance account. So for that, you just have to click on deposit crypto. Suppose you have crypto in some other wallet or account, you just have to open this option. After that, just select any of the crypto of your choice that you want to deposit. Suppose you want to deposit AXS, so just choose it. After that, select the chain from where you are actually sending this particular crypto or AVAX. And suppose it is on Avalanche chain, just select Avalanche over here. And then just copy this wallet address in order to receive it and paste it on the Avalanche network that you are sending from. And from there you will be able to send it, or you can just simply scan this QR code. But if you want to deposit money from your bank account, then you just need to select this option of P2P trading, and this is where it will lead us to. And here we need to make sure that we are on a buy page. You can just switch it over, so just be on buy page, and here we are buying USDT for our native currency. So we will just select one of the options, and there are some things that needs to be kept in mind while buying USDT from these sellers. You need to see the limit that is according to your needs and requirements. Like if you are purchasing around 1000 USDT, then you need to find someone who is selling this much of the amount, because there are some people who only sell around the range of 1 lakh USDT to 2 lakh USDT. So they might not be useful for you. So you need to find someone from this list who is selling USDT in the range that is required by you. But there's one more thing that needs to be kept in mind, which is the completion rate. Make sure that it is above 95%. And if you are not able to find someone with more than 95%, then just go for someone who is more than 90%. But never go below 90%, as the risk is there that your funds might get lost. And this is how we can search for it, or we can just simply click on this option of filter over here. And here we can just type the amount that we want to use for buying USDT. And we can also select the payment methods, because the sellers out there that we just saw the list as will be using a particular payment method. So make sure that you are matching with the payment method that they are using. So just choose the filters accordingly. After that, just click on confirm. And then you will be able to see a particular person. And suppose this is the person we want to purchase USDT from, then we will just click on buy. After that, we will just enter the amount, whether in fiat or in crypto, and then just click on this option of buy with zero fee. and make sure that the person actually sends USDT to your account, and after that you will be able to release the payment for them. And this way Binance will send a code onto your mobile device in order to confirm the transaction, and this is how this transaction will take place. So this is how you make deposits. And when we click on this option of sell, we will be able to sell our USDT into the currency of our country, and we will be able to receive payments in our bank account. Just we have to do the opposite of what we just saw for the buying of USDT. So this is how P2P works. But while selling your crypto to get amount into your bank account, we need to make one more thing, and for that you just have to head up to your wallets, and for that you just click on this option of wallets on the bottom right hand side corner, and here you will find different options like overview, spot, funding, margin. So all the cryptocurrencies on your spot needs to be transferred to funding wallet in order to sell them and get money into your bank account. So for that we will just go to our spot wallet and click on transfer. After that we need to make sure that it is selected to funding, and after that just select the crypto of your choice and then choose the amount. After that confirm transfer, and it will be sent to funding wallet. But make sure that you sell all your different cryptocurrencies in USDT in order to sell that USDT for the currency of your country, and you will be able to receive that amount. So in order to make trades or buy or sell cryptos, we need to open up trades. So the USDT that we will receive by giving up our currency from our bank account, we will be using that USDT to purchase cryptos over here. Just select the buy option. We can just switch over like this. So just select the buy option. After that just select the pair by clicking on this option of pair on the top. Just click over here or search for a crypto that you want to purchase. Make sure that you choose the USDT pair, and then search for any crypto that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy a Bitcoin, so we will just search for BTC and BTC USDT pair, because we have USDT, and in place of USDT or by selling USDT we will be receiving BTC. And just type the amount that you want to purchase and then click on BTC, and after buying that Bitcoin, this Bitcoin will appear into your spot wallet. And after that, suppose BTC rises to a different new high and you want to book that profit, then you just have to sell that BTC by clicking on trades and selecting sell over here, then selecting BTC and USDT pair, and you just have to click on BTC, sell BTC. And after that you will be able to sell BTC, and that USDT will come to your wallet in a spot wallet, and then we can just transfer that particular USDT to our funding wallet by clicking on this option of transfer. And after transferring it to funding, then we can just sell it for the currency of our country. And this is how you will be able to receive the money into your bank account. And there's one more way you can withdraw money to your bank account, and for that you just have to open up your home page. After that you have to click on this option of more, and here just scroll this list, and here you will find this option of finance. Just click on it. This way it will be able to scroll us quite easily. Then you will find this option of send cash under this heading of finance. Just click on it, and here the payment method that we just added will be shown over here, the one that we just saw in the beginning. So just choose the currency that you want to transfer to, and then select the method that you want to receive money in. Suppose I want to choose the UPI, and after that you can just simply click on this option of add new account if you want to add some new account. Otherwise the method will be same that you just added to your account while creating it. Then click on continue, and here you just have to select the crypto. In our case we will select USDT since we sold all our crypto to USDT. And after that just enter the amount, and you will be able to get the expected amount that you will receive and just transfer it. And this way Binance will be able to find the best possible rate for USDT for you to receive in your native currency, and then you will be able to receive the money into your bank account. So this is one of the way to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. And as a beginner, I would suggest you to not go into the future section, as it is quite risky and you might lose all your money quite easily. So it's better to learn about it before diving into this future options. So you will be able to see markets by clicking on the market section. Here you can monitor all the cryptos, whether they are rising or diving or all the other things. Just click on particular crypto or pair, and then you will be able to see the charts, and you can just make changes to it and see more other options as well. Like you can see the other parameters like RSI, MA, MACD, but you need to know what these things are before getting into them. And you can also change the graph by clicking on the time frame on the top, like 15 minutes, 1 hour chart will look like this. So this is how you do it. Now let's get back and go to our wallets, then go to spot wallet. And if you want to send a particular crypto to another wallet, then you just have to go to your spot wallet and select that crypto. Suppose we want to send BNB to a different wallet, then we will just click over here and then we will click on withdraw. And then here it will ask us whether we want to send BNB via crypto network or email or phone ID. Then we will just select crypto network over here. And now we just need to paste our address for BNB from that particular wallet. So we will just copy that address from a different wallet and paste it over here. Then we will select the network, but the Binance automatically chooses the network for us. So it saves because wrong networks can send our money to somewhere else, or our BNB can be lost forever. So it is better to choose the right network while sending your BNB to some other wallet, and just choose the amount of your BNB, and then you will be able to withdraw this particular BNB from Binance to suppose KuCoin or other platforms or other exchanges. So this is how you withdraw money from Binance to other platform. So these are the basics for Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.